We estimate that between April 1st and June 15th, 2020, there have been over 10,000 tickets or charges issued related to COVID-19 across Canada. This has resulted in over $13 million in COVID-related fines.
An $880 ticket for somebody who steps off a park path because they were trying to stay a safe distance away from elderly people in the same park. A social worker ticketed for talking to people living on the street about how to stay safe from COVID-19. These are some of the shocking fines outlined in a new report from the Canadian Civil Liberties Association.
We've got an ugly ticketing pandemic in Canada, replete with COVID carding and racial profiling in central and eastern Canada. Somehow a public health crisis has been twisted into a public order crisis.
An overwhelming 98% of these reported tickets and fines happened in Ontario, Quebec, and Nova Scotia. The rest of Canada makes up just 2%. The data is pulled from government reports and news coverage. The penalties are related to breaking social distancing rules, but it's not clear how effective those rules are. Despite seeing an early uptick in cases, British Columbia ticketed just 22 people since April 1st.
British Columbia has really taken an education approach, a public health approach. Very few of the same very restrictive orders that we've seen in other parts of the country happened in British Columbia. And they were very successfully able to flatten the curve.
Compare that to Quebec, which has ticketed 6,600 people in the same time period. The CCLA says it's also getting reports that tickets are being given disproportionately to Black, Indigenous, and other racialized Canadians. In June, City News brought you the story of two Black women ticketed in Toronto for breaking COVID bylaws while white Canadians breaking the same rules were ignored.
It really comes down to decisions by elected leaders to call for more punitive enforcements, decisions by legislatures to pass laws that allow bylaw officers and police to issue these fines, and decisions by officers on the ground about ticketing.
There's much more in the report, including testimony from people in same-sex relationships who say they're being stopped and carded just for walking with their partners. The CCLA says it's going to continue to track this data as the pandemic continues, but they're asking governments to rethink these policies before a second wave hits. In Ottawa, Xiaoli Li, City News.